Have you been dreaming of traveling abroad or studying abroad? You just don't think that it's possible because you're broke? Guess what? I want to bust your bubble here. I want to share with you there's a school in London that allows you to pay for your tuition and everything in between. If this is something that you're interested in, keep on watching this video all the way till the end. I'm talking about an Ivy League school, pretty much one of the best schools in the world. If this is something you're interested in, don't even sleep on this. Keep watching this video all the way till the end. And if you're new here, please, by all means, introduce yourself to the audience. I want to know you. I want to meet you where in the world are you watching from. And if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say thank you. You guys are amazing. Thank you for your love and incredible support. I see you guys and I truly appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. And if you're seeing this gorgeous hyper queen for the very first time, let me also go ahead and introduce myself while you introduce yourselves as well. My name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, I share 3 videos every single week. So make sure that you join the family by subscribing to my channel. Turn your notification bell so that I get notified every single time I upload a new video. As in the milestone. So guys, let's get right into today's business. Come in. Let's go. Have I said thank you to my returning subscribers? Thank you to my returning subscribers. Thank you for all your likes. Thank you for always liking my videos. Thank you for always sharing my videos. And thank you for your lovely comments every single time. So let's get right into today's business. Come with me. Let's go. You think I won't notice you? I notice you. All of you. Thank you. So, do you dream of studying in the United Kingdom at one of the world's most prestigious universities without paying a single pound in tuition? Well, the Imperial College London Scholarship 2026-2027 might just make that dream become a reality. See, in today's video, I'm breaking down everything that you need to know about this incredible, fully funded opportunity, including what it covers, who can apply, how to give yourself the best chance of getting selected. So if you're a student aiming for the UK in 2026, grab your notepad because this one could change your life for good. Here are some things that you need to know about the Imperial College in London. Now, before we talk about the scholarship, let's talk about why Imperial College London is such a big deal. Yes, so do you know anyone that went to Imperial College in London? It's not a joke. Do you know that Imperial is consistently ranked among the top 10 universities in the whole wide world? It is known for its excellence in science, technology, engineering, medicine, and it's also often compared with global giants like MIT and Stanford. It is based right in London, giving students access to world-class laboratories, global industry connections, and career opportunities in one of the most international cities on earth. Imagine that you are not only studying at a world-class university or institution, but you're also living in a global innovation hub, surrounded by startups, surrounded by researchers and major tech companies. Now let's get right into the details. Do you know that the Imperial College London Scholarship 2026-2027 is now open, and it's open to both undergraduates and master students, and there are 50 scholarships that are available this year, which means that your chances are better than most top-tier global awards. And here is the best part. It is fully funded. Yes, so here is what the scholarship really covers. This scholarship takes care of almost everything that you need as a student in the UK. And here is what is included. It includes full tuition fees. Yes, you won't have to worry about paying your degree at all. You also get annual stipend of $26,500. Yes, so, and this is money that you receive every year to cover your living expenses, your living costs, your accommodation, and your daily expenses. You also get £2,000 per year consumables fund, yes, for the first 3 years, and you will receive this additional funding to help with study materials, your research costs, or laboratory equipment. You also get exclusive access to training and development through the Early Career Researcher Institute, ECRI, where you'll join workshops, mentorship programs, and professional events to build your academic career profile. Now, basically, you will have financial stability, you will have academic support, and you also get professional development all in one package. Who are the people that can apply? Let's talk about the eligibility for this scholarship. Now, this opportunity is open to both UK and international students, which means that students from all over the world, yes, can apply, including you, even including Asia, Africa, and the Americas. You can apply. It is available for students applying to undergraduate or master's program at the Imperial College in London. While the exact eligibility criteria may differ slightly by department, here are the key things that they'll be looking out for. Number one, they're looking at excellent academic performance, strong grades or strong CGPAs or GPAs, research potential, especially if you're applying for a master's degree, leadership or community involvement, as well as a clear personal statement that shows why you want to study at Imperial and how this scholarship will help you achieve your own goals. And here is the application process. How exactly do you apply for this scholarship? Do you know that you can apply for admission to your chosen program at the Imperial College in London through their official website? Yes, so their official portal. So here is step 2. When you're filling out your application, indicate that you would like to be considered for available scholarships, or you can apply separately if required by your department. Step number 3 is to prepare your academic transcripts. I've told you guys, stay ready so you don't have to get ready. Prepare your academic transcripts, your recommendation letters, your personal statements, and your proof of English proficiency if you are an international student. And step number 4, submit your application before the deadline. Don't even sleep on it. They will typically have deadlines that are coming up soon depending on your course. Once you're shortlisted, candidates will be contacted by Imperial for the next stage of evaluation. Whenever you get to watch this video, it doesn't expire because they always have intakes every year. And part of the evaluation can be interviews and additional documentation. And here is why this scholarship actually matters. I mean, let's be honest. Studying in the UK can be very expensive. But this scholarship does not only cover the cost. It also opens doors, and you'll be studying at one of the best universities in the whole wide world, surrounded by global talent. I mean, working with top professors and getting access to research tabs that produce Nobel Prize level discoveries. And when you graduate from, you use your Imperial degree, and it gives you a powerful global network, as well as an alumni who go on to become leaders in science, in business, in policy worldwide. It's not just an education, it's a career launchpad. Imperial College London is a big deal, and here are my top tips if you really want to stand out as a scholarship applicant. First thing you need to do is to start applying early. Yes, so Imperial's programs are highly competitive, so prepare your documents months in advance. Then highlight your impact. I mean, show how you have made a difference in your school, show how you have made a difference in your community or in your field. Then write a personal statement, the one that feels personal, not generic. Then share your story, share your goals, and why Imperial is your dream university. Then reach out to professors or current students, if possible, of the school of Imperial College, so that you can learn more about the departments and include your insight in your application. So yes, if you are ready to take your education to the next level, if you are ready to study in one of the most innovative universities in the whole wide world, I want to tell you today, I'm pleased to let you know that the Imperial College London Scholarship is your golden opportunity. It covers everything from your tuition to your living costs and to your research support. So all that you need is to bring your ambition and your passion and bring yourself, yes, so to make a global impact. Go ahead and apply now and start your journey towards a fully funded future in the UK. If this video has blessed you, you already know. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you never miss new updates on global scholarships and study abroad opportunities. I mean, your future could start with just one application, and this might be the one. So besties, that's all I have for you in today's video. If you're new here and you have not introduced yourself, yes, please go ahead and do that. I'd like to know you and I'd like to meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? And to all my returning subscribers, I want to say thank you for all that you do. I see you guys and I truly appreciate you. God bless you. If you're seeing me for the very first time, my name is Miriam. I'm based in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. If you would like to book a one-on-one session with me, join my Patreon community. You can find the Patreon link, the link to join my Patreon community, in my description as well as in my comments. And you can also click on the join button right next to the subscribe button. You can join my channel membership and also book a one-on-one consultation with me. Whichever way you choose, I'm all yours. And I am also open to business collaborations and inquiries. So yes, go ahead and send me an email, ceo@chassiseverything.com. And if no one has told you today, let me be the first to tell you that you're amazing and I'm so proud of you. If this video has blessed you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your village members. All right, I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care and God bless you. Bye for now.